Hello, my dear students. I'm your English teacher Shipra Agrawal, and today I'm going to tell you about the very first chapter of your Beehive book. The name of the chapter is The Fun They Had. It is written by Isaac Asimov. Let's begin the chapter. The background of the story is set in the future. My dear student, this is the story that is set in the future, and the year is 2157, and the story revolves around two kids. The name of the first kid is Tommy and he is 13 years of age, and the second children is Margie who is 11 years of age. One day Tommy finds an old book and the story begins. It is strange that the words on paper do not move after having been read. Now, both the kids, Tommy and Margie, both were very amazed after getting one book from the attic. And that book was printed on the paper. Because this story is set in the future, so both the students never saw book printed on the paper. They always see the book that was available on the computer screen. It means e-textbook. So both the children were very surprised after getting this book. Nowadays they only read stories on the computer screen. The book is about school centuries ago, and the book that they found, that book is about school, means in that book they learned about all types of schools. Margie is very surprised that in the past students had a person as a teacher, and that all children of the same age learned the same thing and went to school and back home with other children. Now both of the children learn the book, and when they read the book they come to know that, oh, in the old types of school the children having teacher in the form of human beings, and all the kids of the neighborhood went on one place, and that place is a special building and that is called school, and they went together, they share their homework, they having too much fun in their school. So, and especially Margie was very amazed because she was the youngest one. Margie wants to read more of the book because she was very curious to know more about such type of a school, and she wanted to read that book more and more. But first she has to learn with her mechanical teacher whose level is too advanced for her. But in the story what happened with Margie, that Margie having one computer teacher, and nowadays she was facing one problem with her computer teacher, and especially with her subject geography, and she think school in those days was much better than now today. And Margie always hated her type of school. It means the school of the future, means the learning by computers and robotic teacher was hated by Margie. And nowadays she was hating her school more than ever, and when she read that book and come to know about old type of a school, she thought that in the olden days the children having much more fun than them. The writer of this story, Isaac Asimov, his lifespan is 1920 to 1992. Isaac Asimov is an American writer, professor of biochemistry at Boston University. He is known for his science fiction. Theme of this story is, in distant future, children would have lessons with mechanical teachers at home, and such a practice might deprive kids of the great fun the old school offered. Students, nowadays this chapter is very easy to teach you and very easy for your understanding, because nowadays due to corona we are also bound to learn from our houses, and we are also learning by the virtual classroom and by the e-text. But when this story was written, at the time Isaac Asimov was thinking that in the future the students will learn like this. So in the story he told that in the virtual classroom the learning by robotic teacher are very monotonous, and In the olden types of school, the kids having more fun because the environment was more lively and more students friendly. Now the story. This is the picture that is given in your chapter, the very first school picture. Means Margie and Tommy having the school of future. The first picture is the picture of the virtual classroom. And what is a virtual classroom? Where you can learn by the help of all the electronic gadgets. Learning through computers, mobile, tablets means in the future the kids will learn through computers, mobiles and tablets, and teacher will be robotic teacher, and the textbook will be electronic textbooks that will always move on the screen. This is the picture of virtual classroom. Nowadays you are enjoying this classroom, and in our older days we having this classroom, that is our traditional classroom. Hope so that soon we will present in such type of classroom, and we will also have once again fun in our life. Features of virtual classroom. Classroom is a small room next to your bedroom filled with electronic gadgets, and especially here are the features that is according to the story. They have a mechanical teacher with a huge which is a huge television screen. The lessons will be displayed on the screen. Homework is kept in a slot in the computer. Homework is done using a punch code which they were taught when they were 6 years old. There is no fun as there are no classmates. Homework and assignments are checked by the teacher within no time because the calculations are done by the computer. So students, now it is very clear for you because you are also using virtual classroom, and these are the main features and how you are using them. In the traditional classroom, you are also aware about such type of classroom, separate building, that is called school. Students of same age sit in the same class and learn the same thing. They have a human teacher to teach them. Yes, teacher will teach them and clear their doubts because students directly ask their queries and questions to their teachers, and directly the teachers solve the queries and questions of the students. This is the school, traditional type of a school that we were enjoying before corona. The student come to school together and go home together, means with your classmates, with your schoolmates, you enjoying coming and going from school. Students can help each other in doing homework. If you are facing any problem in completion of your homework, you can discuss your homework with your friends, with your classmates. Students have a lot of fun together in the class and the outside. In the class there is very friendly and fun loving environment because there are too much discussions, lively discussions were there. They play together in the playground, and also you love to play in the playground. One day, Margie wrote in her diary what she has written, that Tommy had found a real book. Real book means original book that is printed on paper. This is the book that Tommy found. Margie and Tommy find old paper book. They turn the pages which were yellow and crinkly. Students, you know, the book that is printed on the paper, if it is very old, then the pages turn to yellow. And crinkly means full of folds, lines and wrinkles. क्योंकि पुरानी हो जाती है तो खूब सारी उस पर लाइनें पड़ जाती हैं. They turned the pages which were yellow and crinkly. It was awfully funny to read words that stood still. But both the children were very amazed after getting that book because they never saw a book that is printed on paper. And the words were not moving, those were still. All the things were very surprising for them. Because what type of book they saw? They always saw such type of book. Means e-textbook that is available on computer screen. And in such type of books, always the words are moving. Margie and Tommy study in a virtual classroom. They have a mechanical teacher. They are not familiar with the printed books. They have telebooks or e-books. E-books or telebooks means electronic books or television books. Those are available on the electronic gadgets. So they were surprised after getting printed book. Attic means a space below the roof used as a store room, जिसको हम अटारी बोलते हैं हिंदी में. Margie hated school, but now she started hating it more than ever. Students, there is one type of students who always dislike schools. Margie was such type of a girl, but nowadays she was hating her school more than ever. And what is the reason? Her teacher had been giving her test after test in geography, and she had been doing worse and worse. Nowadays, what happened with her? That her geography teacher was taking test every day, and her performance in the test and her performance in the geography sector or subject is going very worse nowadays. Margie's mother was worried about her study. The Margie's mother was a very, you can say, caring mother. She was very bothered about the study of Margie. So she called county inspector to find the fault and rectify it. Who is county inspector? A person who checks and repairs the mechanical teacher, and in one word you can say the mechanic of the mechanical teacher is called county inspector. So mother called him that please repair the mechanical teacher of my child because my child having some problem. The county inspector was a round little man with a red face. County inspector was a fatty person, short-heighted, having red cheek, but a very jolly man. He came with a box of tools with dials and wires. He having one toolbox in his hand because he was a mechanic. He gave her an apple and took the teacher apart. He was a very fun-loving man. First of all, he patted on the head of Margie and offered an apple to her. And after that, he took the mechanical teacher of Margie apart from Margie and started doing his work of repairing. Margie hoped that he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but after an hour he set it right. Margie was hoping, Margie was hoping that county inspector did not know how to repair the mechanical teacher, then she will enjoy holiday for many days. But all the hopes of the Margie was shattered because county inspector was very expert in his work, and only in half an hour he repaired the mechanical teacher. The mechanical teacher was a large, black and ugly screen on which all the lessons were shown and the questions were asked. Now she was telling about her mechanical teacher. She said that, my mechanical teacher was black in color, large, big screen, and always many questions flashed on the screen. And she always hated her school or hated her mechanical teacher. The part Margie hated most was a slot. Slot means given space, where she had to put homework. Students, you always having your classwork homework notebooks. In the similar manner, on the computer, the children having some particular space where they always have to enter their homework, and that is the particular space that Margie hated most. She had to put homework. She always wrote her homework using a punch code. Punch code, you can say it is a mechanical language of computer teacher, which she was taught when she was 6 years old. When she was very young, in her young age, she knows from that young age she started learning that punch code, and now every day she has to enter her homework in a particular slot in the punch code. And the mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time because mechanical teacher is a robotic teacher, so he is very quick in the calculation of the marks. Slot, an opening in a mechanic machine to insert something, just like ATM machine you saw there, such type of slot means given space where a particular thing you have to enter. Maybe it is homework, maybe it is a card. Punch code, holes in the card so that the machine can read the pattern. आपकी OMR शीट भी होती है ना, उस पर भी ऐसे ही होता है. मैग्नेटिक रीडर्स होते हैं और जो आपके इम्प्रेशंस आते हैं उनको मशीन रीड कर लेती है. तो पंच कोड इज अ स्पेशल लैंग्वेज ऑफ कंप्यूटर्स. Pat one's head means tap gently on the head of someone. The inspector said to Mrs. Jones is the mom of Margie, that it was not the little girl's fault. The geography sector was above her level. Now, county inspector said to the lady of the house, "Oh, you should not worry about the study of Margie because it is not the fault of your daughter. It is the fault of the teacher. It was set on a high level." The inspector had adjusted it to an average 10-year level. Ki now I adjusted the geography sector according to the age level of your child. He also told Mrs. Jones that Margie's overall progress is satisfactory. You should not bother because the overall progress of your child is very satisfactory. Margie was disappointed. Disappointed matlab sad, displeased. She had been hoping that the inspector would take the mechanical teacher away because she was hoping that he would take mechanical teacher for a few months with him, but it was not so. She was very disheartened. Once Tommy mechanical teacher was taken away for nearly a month as the history sector had blanked out completely and he did not have classes. And why she was thinking like this? Because once Tommy history sector was completely blanked out, and on that time the county inspector took his mechanical teacher for nearly 1 month. So the same thing she was expecting with her mechanical teacher. It was the old kind of a school which existed 100 years of ago. But for us, it is not 100 years of ago school. It was our school that we enjoy before Corona, our original school. They had a human teacher, and in the original school, all the kids having human teacher who gave them homework and asked them questions. These are some difficult words. Pat one's head means tap gently on the head of someone. Geared means adjusted to a particular level. Disappointed means sad and displeased. Blanked out means completely lost. Superior, higher in rank or position. Loftily means in a proud manner. Regular means normal, or here mechanical teacher. Now the conversation went on and both of the kids were reading the book, and in the book it is mentioned that in the olden days the human being was a teacher. Then Margie was very amazed. Margie said, "A man isn't smart enough." "Oh no, Tommy, man can't be so smart to being a teacher." कि man एक teacher की जितना smart नहीं हो सकता. Tommy said, "Sure he is. My father knows as much as my teacher." No, man can be as smart as a teacher because my father also knows all the things just like my mechanical teacher. But Margie was not convinced. She said, "I don't want a strange man in my house to teach me." "Oh no, I don't want," because Tommy and Margie both start making an argument about human being as a teacher. Now Margie said, "Oh, I'll not allow any strange person as a teacher to come in my home." Then Tommy started laughing and said, "The teachers did not live in the house. They had a special building and all the kids went there." "Oh Margie, you are very young, you don't know. In the olden days, there is one particular building that is called school, and in that school all the kids and the teacher went there and they study together there, not in the home." Betcha means I bet you. Dispute means argument and disagree with. Screamed means cried aloud. "And all the kids learned the same thing." Margie said, "Same thing." "Sure, if they were of the same age. But my mother says a teacher has to be adjusted to fit the mind of each boy and girl it teaches, and that each kid has to be taught differently." Still, Margie was not convinced. Margie said, "Oh, but my mom said that the teacher should be adjusted according to the mind level of each children. So how it is possible?" Just the same, they didn't do it that way then. "Oh, they are not adopting this way. If you don't like it," and now Tommy got angry and Tommy said, "If you don't like this book, you don't have to read the book. So there is no need that you will read this book." Margie want to know about such type of a school more and more. So she now don't disturb Tommy. "Not yet, Mama. Can I read the book some more with you after school, Tommy?" On the same time, the Margie's mother called her. said, Margie, it's your time for study, come back. And also, it is the time for Tommy now, and it's probably time for Tommy too. So come fast. But Margie was curious to know about all types of schools, so she said, oh, Tommy, after my school, once again, I can read this book. Went to her classroom, which was right next to her bedroom. Remember this, student, that Margie's classroom was next to her bedroom. It is a virtual classroom equipped with all types of gadgets. Her mechanical teacher was waiting for her, and mechanical teacher was already switched on and waiting for Margie. It was always on at the same time every day except Saturday and Sunday. Always the 5 days working, this mechanical teacher always switch on for the 5 days from Monday to Friday. Only Saturday and Sunday she enjoy holiday because her mother said little girl learns better if they learned at regular hour. This is the thinking of Mrs. Jones, that regulars are very essential for the study of young students. The screen was lit up. Lit up means it was shining, it was showing today's arithmetic lesson. And what today Margie is going to read? Margie is going to read mathematics, and especially arithmetic lesson is on addition of proper fraction. Please insert yesterday's homework in the proper slot. And now the mechanical teacher started giving the instruction, and the instruction is this, that today we are going to learn the arithmetic lessons, and I'll teach you the addition of proper fraction. But before this, please insert your holidays homework, please insert your yesterday's homework. These are new words. Known gallantly means in a casual manner. Tugged means pushed. Beneath means below and under. Lit up means lighten up or brighten. Sigh means take a deep breath. Margie inserted the homework with a sigh. Sigh means deep breath. सांस भरते हुए Margie entered the homework. She was thinking about the old school. She was learning by the mechanical teacher, but still in her mind, the imagination of the old kind of school was going on. As they had when her grandfather's grandfather was a little boy, and were the school that was presented in very old days. Means in her grandfather's grandfather time, such type of schools were existed. At the time, all the kids from the neighborhood came laughing and shouting in the schoolyard, sitting together in the schoolroom, going home together at the end of the day. After watching this picture, you are also feeling nostalgia about your school, because in the olden days you also went together in your home with your friends, sit together, laugh together, play together. So the same thing Margie was thinking about old types of school. They learned the same thing so they could help one another. One more thing she was thinking, oh, if all the kids learn the same thing, then they can also help together in different queries and in the solution of different questions, and especially in completion of the homework. The mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen when we add fraction 1 by 2 and 1 by 4. But the mechanical teacher was flashing on the screen and giving the lessons on the arithmetic. It was saying, oh, when we add fraction this and this, how we will do this. Margie was thinking about how the kids must have loved it in old days, but Margie was only thinking about the old kind of school and their fun, how much fun they were having in olden days. She was thinking about the fun they had, and this is the name of your chapter, the fun they had. It means the fun that the children enjoy in the old kind of a school. And after reading this chapter, student, you are also feeling nostalgia. You are also missing your old type of a school, all type of learning. So thank you, students.